Hi, my name is Carl, co-founder of All Star Services Australia. We have a combined of over 20 years experience in the industry. We specialise in air conditioning, electrical and mechanical ventilation services. With over 20 professional technicians, we service the entire Greater Sydney region. Our vehicles are equipped with the latest tools and equipment to make sure we get the job done right the first time. With a team of highly skilled technicians, we are committed to delivering a top-notch service. All Star Services Australia is a name to trust with all your aircon, electrical and ventilation needs. Whether you need a simple repair or a full-scale upgrade, our team will work with you to ensure that the project is completed on time, on budget and to the highest of standards. Our team has the knowledge and experience to keep your indoor environment comfortable and cool. We specialise in the domestic and commercial sectors. We provide ducted installations, split system installations, VRV installations, switchboard upgrades, full electrical rewires and lighting installations. If you're in the market for any aircon or electrical services, look no further than All Star Services Australia. Visit our website or call us today to find out more. I'm Carl from All Star Services Australia. Thanks for watching.